In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in TRREB MLS. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in this link torontomls.net. Press enter. After you do that, you can see over here you'll be led to the sign in interface. From here, you'll be able to log into your account. If you're the new user, click on this option new user setup that you can see on the screen. If you want to log into your account, you'll have to enter the user ID and PIN. So click on the field of user ID and enter the user ID over here. Likewise, click on the field of PIN and enter the PIN. If you have forgotten the PIN, you can click on this option forget PIN and you'll be able to reset it. Now after you enter the credentials, click on the submit option that you can see on the screen. After that, you'll be logged into your account. So like this, you'll be able to log into your TRREB MLS account. So that is how you log in TRREB MLS account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.